In this video, we will learn about types of optical fibers. The optical fibers can be classified on different bases. For example, on the basis of refractive index, as we know the refractive index of core is different than the clad. So, how this refractive index of the core varies with respect to the clad. So, depending upon that we have the step index fiber and graded index fiber. Secondly, we can classify the optical fibers on the basis of mode. So, single mode and multi-mode. Single mode means light will travel uh, only one mode at a time, and in multi-mode there will be more modes at a time. And third is material based, where we can use the glass fibers or the plastic fibers. Now let us see how these fibers are used. Now the first one is the step index fiber. So in step index you can see the index of refraction. Now this is uh, what we can say is the clad, the blue portion, and the center one is the core. So this one is the core. So the size of the core is quite large as compared to the total size. So it is about 200 micrometer diameter of the core, and total is about 380 micrometer. And the refractive index of the core is constant. You can see here it is constant, and this is N1, the refractive index of core, and this is N2, which is the refractive index of clad. And the change in between the refractive index of core and clad is just like a step. This is a step here, and this is a step, and therefore these kinds of fibers are called as step index fiber. Now in step index fiber we can have the single mode fiber as well as the multi mode fiber. So here we can see this is a multi mode fiber because we have large number of modes that can be supported by this fiber, and whereas the number 3, this one, you can see that the core size is very small as compared to the clad size. So clad size is, for example, 125 micrometer, whereas the core is only 10 micrometer. And again this is step index, so that the uh, refractive index of clad is constant, and then suddenly it increases for the core, and therefore we get a step for the refractive index. Now this is N1 and this is N2. Now the core of the fiber is so small that it supports only one mode of the light that passes along the axis, and you can see that the pulse that you can see on the left hand side, it appears similar on the right hand side. So the output is exactly same as that of the input. So there is no significant loss when you send a signal. Whereas in multimode fiber, in the figure 1, we can see that the light is traveling quite close, quite away from the axis, not close from the axis, away from the axis, and therefore sometimes the signal will reach earlier, sometimes it may reach later, and therefore this pulse will get elongated. So you can see the pulse is it has decrease in the intensity also, and its shape is also changed. Okay. So to avoid these problems in multimode fiber, and we have the multimode graded index fiber. So what is the multimode and what is graded? Graded means, now you can see here, this is a clad and this is a core, and the refractive index of clad is almost constant here, but the refractive index of core is increasing slowly. It is graded, it is increasing very slowly. Okay. So this is something like N1 max, and then N1 decreases slowly, up to N2 value. So this is N2 value. Now what is the advantage of this? The advantage is that whatever the light that is moving away from the axis, it will move faster, and whatever the light is moving closer to the axis, it will move slower, because we can see here the refractive index N is in general given by C by V. So V will be equal to C by N. So the refractive index is more, velocity is less. So the refractive index is more at the center, and therefore the velocity of light passing close to the axis, its velocity will be less. Whereas the refractive index is less, quite close to the uh, clad, and therefore whatever the light is passing uh, quite close to the clad, its velocity will be more, so that all the light pulses reaches at certain point. After some time they will reach at a point, and then again it will get distributed, so and so forth, so that all the signals will reach at one point. And therefore the pulse that we are sending, it retains the shape to some extent, quite good extent. So these graded index fibers are very useful, but both the graded index and multimode fibers step index, they are used for various purposes, especially for long distance communication. And step index fiber is used where we have to retain the pulse shape as input. So these are the different types of optical fibers, and we'll study the applications of these optical fibers in next video.